everyone, it's Jess and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing my first Birchbox. I am so excited for this. I got a little sample box in the mail, which was a video that me and one of my best friends filmed, and the editing process did not go as well as I thought it would, but I am going to insert a cute picture from that effort right here. And the sample box was really amazing, and I thought the normal boxes were going to be that same size, but actually that was just like a preview, and this box is pretty big, and oh my goodness, it's so cute, and I can't wait to open it up and show you guys. But before we begin, I read a very powerful passage of scripture the other day in my Bible, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, so this is Colossians 13 through 15. And even though you were dead in your transgressions and in the uncircumcision of your flesh, he nevertheless made you alive with him, having forgiven all your transgressions. He has destroyed what was against us, a certificate of indebtedness, expressed in decrees opposed to us. He has taken it away by nailing it to the cross. Disarming the rulers and authorities, he has made a public disgrace of them, triumphing over them by the cross. And I just find that so comforting and so powerful that God took all that was weighing on us and all the sin that had just taken over our hearts, and he took it and nailed it straight to the cross. And a sinless being, Jesus Christ, would take that upon himself. It's just so impressive, and I'm so unworthy of that, and I just thought that was really powerful, and I just wanted to share with you guys. So yeah. Now to get into our Birchbox. Oh my goodness, I love the packaging already. I love this color. It's one of my favorite colors. It's actually like almost the color of my bedspread. And I just love it so much. Oh my goodness. It's so big. So this is what we see first. Oh my gosh. It's actually hard plastic. And oh, it's already so cute. Just going to open it up. Got it. And so first we have taking care of your skin can be easy. Hopefully it is. So we have the Birchbox list of all the products, and I will list them off as I go. And oh my gosh, look at this paper. Okay, so the first item I'm going to pull out is this little purple packet. It's from Amica, and it is the Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde Conditioner. The full size is $24. It says, care for your color, natural or not, with this shea butter and shea buckthorn infused violet conditioner that boosts blonde hair to look and feel healthier than ever. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for this because I wanted to try purple shampoo forever, and this is just the conditioner. Oh, there's a shampoo too. Yay! And I'm so for hair care, and so I'm really happy that this came. Oh my gosh. And so we have Conditioner's Best Friend shampoo. This is the same name, except it has shampoo at the end. Full size is $24 as well. To get bright, buttery blonde hair, use this violet shampoo that cuts out harsh, brassy tones. Ingredients like avocado oil help to hydrate rather than strip. Yes. Next, oh, all these are so cute. Everything except one thing is in pink packaging, so I have to do the thing that's not in pink packaging. Just how my brain works. Okay. We have, ooh, 3 purple things, 3 pink things. I wonder if they did that on purpose, or is that just me? I don't know. Anyway, we have the, oh, I'm going to butcher this name. Lycée Wattier. Sounds so French. Lycée Wattier. Correct me if I'm wrong. Magnifique Makeup Setting Spray with white tea. This is it. The full size is $26. This is a pretty good size though. This spray helps extend the wear time of your makeup and doubles as a facial mist, infusing skin with antioxidants like white tea to refresh and shield it from external aggressors. Oh, that was hard. External aggressors. Got it. So this is it. It's kind of purple. It's kind of purple, right? It looks purple. Let's say purple. Now, for the pink items, we're going to start with the biggest thing. It's called the Anatomicals The Buff Stuff Citrus Body Scrub. Now you read about this. Full size is $5.50. So this seems like a full size, but I'm sure the full size is a bit bigger. Maybe not. Seems like they're giving me some full size stuff in here. Let's see, this body scrub buffs and polishes using walnut shells to gently remove dead, dull skin. Leave skin simulated, energized, and smooth, all while being microbead and paraben free. And so the back is actually really funny. It says, if you've had enough of your skin being all rough and your epidermis is as tough as a Scotsman called Macduff, when it really should be as soft and smooth as a delicate cream puff, then this is no salesman guff, or marketing fluff. You, my dear, need the buff stuff. So catchy. Now we have Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Full size is $9.90. This sleeping mask, rich in vitamin C and pomegranate, is a perfect hydrating overnight treatment for thirsty, dull skin. Apply a thin layer and leave on overnight. I've never been a really big fan of sleeping masks, but this time might be different. I have one. So this is the one that I have. It's from Glow Recipe, and it's Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. And it's actually a really... What in the world? I've already opened this. It's actually a really nice mask, but I feel like when I wake up, I don't feel like I have a mask on, so I feel like I'd forget to wash it off. But it's kind of like... Oh my gosh. Oh. You'll just have to see for yourself. Okay, the last pink item, and the last item... I'll be okay. Is the Model Co. Instant Brows Brow Pencil Light Medium, since I'm blonde. Actually, that works out really well. Let's see. Full size is $18. I mean, this looks like a full size. If this ain't a full size, I don't know what it is. I guess the obvious answer would be it's a sample. But, so this is one end. It has the brush, and then the other end has this really cool thing. Looks cool. Anyway, guys, that is all I have in my Birchbox, but I'm actually really satisfied with this. I think, so I've done Sephora Play, I've also done Ipsy, and Ipsy was really awesome, but I think I'm extra happy with this. Oh, close. Extra happy. Oh my gosh. Extra happy with this box. And so, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and watch out for a new video next month on another Birchbox, because they come every month. I'll talk to you guys later, or I guess, yeah, I'll talk to you. You won't talk to me. But I'll see you later, guys. Bye.